Okay, hello guys, I'll be doing some sums over the next few weeks. Please don't use this as a study material. Use this only as reference material. Any equation used in this video is purely coincidental.
Okay, today I'm gonna start with some applications of trigonometry. First, let's just familiarize with certain important trigonometric functions before we proceed. Now, we know sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Cos theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. And sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Okay, to make it more understandable, I'm gonna do something like this. Okay.
It's not 90 degrees.
Okay, man.
There you go.
First, as you can see, sorry, my voice bad. My bad. Okay. Now, sine theta is equal to opposite side. That is sine theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Okay. Now, cos theta, that is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Now, tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Now, cosec theta is just reciprocal of sine theta. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, and cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Okay, so these are some of the formulas you might have learned in the first term if you paid attention in class, but clearly you didn't, so you're viewing this video. Now, this right here is the master formula. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta.
Beautiful song, by the way.
Thank you.
And you just ruined it.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Right. There are only pairs. Sine and cos are a pair. Tan and cot are a pair. Cosec and sec are a pair. No, what?
Why didn't you write cot over here? You said they were pairs. Right? Why didn't you write cot like opposite?
Why didn't you write cot over there, huh? Why don't you teach? If you're that smart. Okay, fine. Memorize this. No, memorize the pattern. Okay, memorize this pattern right here.
Get pause the video.
No, don't pause the video. Just keep on viewing the video. Okay. Okay, now just memorize this pattern right here. Okay. Now let's go for some other identities. Okay, these are the three main identities. Although you're not gonna mostly use these, just keep this in mind for future purposes. It's gonna be important. Okay, these stuffs. Just learn this stuff. See, so you see this blind guy right here. Okay, now he looks at the building.
Wait, you just said he's blind.
It doesn't matter. Logic doesn't matter. Okay. Okay. Now he looks at the top of this building, and then there's this horizontal level. Like you see, it's perpendicular to this dude. Okay, that's the horizontal level. Okay. Now the angle between the line of sight and the horizontal level is your angle of elevation. Okay, just keep that in mind because you're going to be using that for all your problems. Okay. Okay, so this is example 2 of that chapter, that is some applications of trigonometry. Now, in this example, the diagram is pretty simple. They already gave the diagram. Now, they told us it's at this distance, that is some D maybe. Okay, let's just name this for now A, and then maybe B, then let this be C. Now what they gave was AC equal to 5 meters, and AD you don't know, you need to find out, and CD is equal to 1.3. Can you understand what I'm telling? I mean, look, the height of the pole is 5 meters. That is AC. AC is 5 meters. Now she needs to reach a point 1.3 below the top of the pole to undertake the repair work. Now that is over here, 1.3 meters down. Now AD, now it's very clear from the figure that AD is equal to AC minus CD, which is equal to 5. Dude, use your common sense, bruh. Minus 1.3 meters equals 3.7. No. 3.7 meters. Okay, that is over here, 3.7. And okay, how about this? Is this a 7? That is a 7, man. How about this? That's a 7. 3.7 and 1.3. Okay, so it totally adds up to 5 meters. Okay, I know my drawing's bad, but just excuse me. Okay, now that you found that part out, I'm gonna erase this. Okay, not with the small. I'm gonna increase the size using magical powers, and I'm gonna erase. I'm gonna erase it. Okay, after erasing it, I will do some triggers. Okay, now we need to find the length of the ladder. Now let's just consider the length. Now this is a hypotenuse. Let's just consider the length of the ladder as our hypotenuse. So this will be our adjacent side and this will be our opposite side. Now, do you remember what sine theta was? Sine theta was equal to opposite side divided opposite side divided by a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Okay, that's hypotenuse. Now what's that equal to? Sine 60 degrees is equal to opposite side, that is 3.7 divided by hypotenuse, that is dB. Now we know sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 is equal to 3.7 divided by dB. That is dB is equal to 3.7 divided by 1.732 into 2, which is approximately equal to 4.28. So that's your answer. Now there's another question as well, which is find the length from the ground. Okay, now we need to find the length from the ground, that is length of AB. What's the length of AB? Now if you find the tan theta, we know that it is opposite side divided by adjacent side, which is equal to adjacent side. Tan 60 degrees is equal to tan 60 degrees is equal to 3.7 divided by AB. Okay, now what's this? What's tan 60 degrees? Tan 60 degrees is root 3. Root 3 is equal to 3.7 divided by AB. Now AB, I'm gonna cancel that. Okay, now which means AB is equal to 3.17 divided by 1.732, which is approximately equal to 2.14. Damn, you just got the answer. Okay, this is the question. This is question number 10 from exercise 9.1. Okay, there's a point somewhere, and okay, angle of elevation from there is 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. Let this point be D, let this be A, B, C and D. Okay, nice. Okay, now find the height of the poles and distance of the post point from the poles. Okay, now if we take this distance as x, we can take this as 80 minus x. Now this distance can be h, this distance can be h. Don't forget to write all these in your answer paper. You need to write all these stuffs. Okay. Now, what's tan 30 degrees in this case? Tan 30 is h by 80 minus x. So let's write tan 30 is equal to h minus 80 minus x. Okay. Now that's 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 80 minus x. H is equal to 80 minus x by root 3. Okay. Now, what is tan 60 in this case? Tan 60 degrees is equal to h by x. That is root 3 is equal to h by x. That is h is equal to root 3 x. Now, h by x, that is root h is equal to root 3x. Okay. Now, just compare these two equations right here, and yeah, we get root 3x is equal to 80 minus x by root 3. Okay, now we got root 3x is equal to 80 minus x by root 3. That is 3x. Let me just cross multiply. The 3x is equal to 80 minus x. That is 4x is equal to 80. This just comes over here. Now x is equal to 20. That is, we just found out that this distance right here is 20. So what will be this distance? 80 minus 20, that is 60. Now we want to find the height of the pole. We just previously found out that h is equal to root 3x. That is, height will be equal to 20 root 3. Ta-da!
Okay, so this question is the 11th question on exercise 9.1.
So now I'm gonna tell you how to do it. Now a TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. Okay, let this be the bank, let this be the bank, and okay, now this is somewhere. Now this is the bank. Now let it stand vertically on a bank of the canal. Now from the point on the other bank opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top is 60 degrees. Okay, fine. So this is one bank, this is another bank. This is 60 degrees and this is where the tower is. From another point 20 meters away from this point, joining the point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top is 30 degrees. That is, this is 20 meters, and now when you join this, it's 30 degrees. You need to find the height of the tower and width of the canal. Okay, let the height be h and let the width of this thing be x. Okay. Now, what is tan 60? It is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. That is h by x. That is root 3 is equal to h by x. That is h is equal to root 3x. Now what is tan 30 degrees? Tan 30 degrees. It's equal to h divided by 20 plus x. Okay, see, it's dB. Okay, AB divided by dB. Okay, now that is equal to h divided by 20 plus x. That is 1 by root 3 is equal to h divided by 20 plus x. That is h. Okay, I'm gonna erase this part. No, I'm not gonna erase this part. You guys can live for a long time. I know what I'm doing. Okay, now h is equal to 20 plus x divided by root 3. Okay, now we see that this and this are equal. Okay, so we can write 20 plus x by root 3 is equal to root 3x. Now that is equal to 3x is equal to 20 plus x. Now x, 2x is equal to 20, x is equal to 10. We found that this is equal to 10. Now what is h? H is equal to root 3 into x, which is equal to 10 root 3. Ta-da!